Hi, so this is KO Grammar. So only when my student and I face a Cantonese grammar issue, then we will talk about it. So this time we talk about the to or in the Cantonese and Mandarin as well. So in Cantonese we have 定係或者. So before we go deep in the explaining what the difference between two of them, we need to know the literal meaning. So 定 is fixed, 定係. So this one is 定係. In Mandarin is hai6. waak6 is more or perhaps maybe. waak6. Alright. So 定係 is or, 或者 is actually has one more meaning is perhaps. Alright, so we have I checked two grammar book. So that's Yip Grammar and CP Grammar. So CP Grammar is a Mandarin grammar book, but it's equivalent to Cantonese. Alright. So Yip mentioned that these two or, the first one is more in a question, and then the second one is more in a statement. Alright. So she gives quite a lot of sample sentence. See, 我哋或者移民。我哋或者移民，或者留喺樹。Okay, so the other one is 我哋一係移民，一係留喺樹。So both of them are statement. So this is in 或者 is less certain. 一係 is more decisive. Okay, so it talks about 一係 instead of 定係. Alright, so this one is not very useful. 或者一係. Alright, 一係. Okay, let's see this one. So it's alternative question. Maybe this is the one that we're looking for. 你要粥定係飯啊? Okay, makes sense. 你要粥定係飯啊? 我哋去買嘢定係返屋企? 定返屋企? 我哋去買嘢定返屋企? Okay, so we also have another called 抑或. It's also used in question. 佢哋移民抑或留喺處啊? Okay, so there's two way. Alright. Okay, so you can see 定係 is a question format. 或者 is a statement. Again, let's see CP grammar. Actually, CP grammar is the best. It's the best grammar book. It's explained the super difficult grammar with sample sentence. So the first 1 to 4 is 或者. Oh no, 定係. And 5, 6, 7 is the 或者. Alright, so it says when we use 定係, people will not know, the one who speak do not know what's the situation or which one, so that's why it's an or in a question format. So for example, 你鍾意聽音樂定係鍾意聽歌啊? You listen to music or listen to song. Yeah, that's a weird sentence. Okay, so you like yellow or red, that kind of sentence. And then it also actually can be used in a statement when you already said you don't know. Alright? So, 邊個都唔知道佢係講真話定係假話. So nobody knows if he said true sentence or fake statement. Alright? I'm not decided. 我仲未決定去美國定係加拿大Australia 係啦. So in this case, the speaker do not know. So it can be a statement with 定係. And so for 5, 6, 7 is waak6. It means the one who speak. He told other people that there's several possibility. Alright, so the speaker actually know the possibility. Alright, but the first one is they don't know. Alright, so this one is 5, 6, 7 sample sentence is 你聽日嚟或者後日嚟都得. So you can come tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. They are both okay, something like that. So it's possibility. The person who speak really know the situation. And number 6, 每日下晝佢哋都去打籃球或者跑步. So this is a very certain statement. So every day afternoon they also go to play basketball or run. Alright? So number 7, another sentence is 我想去美國或者澳洲，而家仲未決定。係啦。Then so it's statement and number 7 and number 4, they are slightly different. Okay, so a recap for you. So the first thing is 定係 is used for question. 定係 question. 或者 is more statement. And then the speaker, if they use 定係, they are quite not certain about what the option or what the situation. But for people use 或者, as we know, it's a statement, so it's kind of from like more confirm. So then you will be able to tell people the possibility lie ahead. Okay. So it is still very difficult for you, and just let's see an exercise. Maybe we will help a little bit. Okay, so number 1, 你呢個星期走blah blah blah 下個星期. So it's 你呢個星期走定係下個星期走. And then the one said, next week 下個星期. And then A said, 點走啊? How do you go leave? And then B said, it's not a question, it's a statement. 坐火車或者坐飛機。係啦 OK, so I say it again. 好，你哋呢個星期走定係下個星期走啊？ OK, 下個星期點走啊？坐火車或者坐飛機。Sorry, 或者 this is a statement. OK, so second, 我冇聽清楚佢講嘅係俾小張去俾小常去. So this statement. OK, 我冇聽清楚佢講嘅係俾小張去定係俾小常去. 小張小常 is a name. 佢今日脾氣咁大嘅. So he's in a very big bad temper today. 我可能同老婆鬧交. And then or was criticized. 老闆 批評。Okay, so this one is 定係。Okay, 佢今日脾氣咁大嘅，可能同老婆鬧交，或者俾老闆鬧。Okay, so number 4. You see it's a statement, and then it's like 2 sentences. So maybe it's a bit tricky, this one. 呢批貨到底入定係唔入？你要快啲攞主意。呢批貨入或者唔入，你要快啲攞主意。Okay, so this one is really tricky. As we mentioned, the 定係 it's more like you're not certain, and 或者 you're certain and you know the possibility. Alright, so this one is like 你要快啲攞主意， like you need to figure it out as soon as possible. So it's more like you don't know the situation, you're not so things are not that confirmed. Then this one is 定係。Alright, 呢批貨到底入定係唔入？你要快啲攞主意，係啦。Okay, so this is it. So I think it's very, very subtle and very well illustrated. I hope you understand.